Hey, what's up? My name is Tosin Morohunfola, and I am the playwright for The Drum Closet, a new world premiere production at the Coterie Theater. So, why is it called The Drum Closet? Well, as a grade schooler, I was a drum fanatic. I was always playing drums along with my brother and in our high school marching band. And where you store your drums is in the back of the band room, and it's called The Drum Closet. That closet is the place where we store the instruments, but also kind of like a secret hiding place in the band room. So it's a fish out of water story for a black family in the middle of a pretty suburban white area, and also for an immigrant family, and a fish out of water story for these boys who are trying to find their place in this world. There's something really universal about adolescence. This play explores what it's like to deal with the part of yourself that you show to the world and the part of yourself that you keep to yourself. If you ever felt like you were a bit of a nerd or an outsider, but you found your passion in music, or if you found your purpose in making music, then this is the show for you. This is exactly the place I wanted to bring my story. Hope you enjoy it.